Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lid bumper in your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the bumper is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll just need to use a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. So we'll open up our washer here, and you see on both sides we have these bumpers. So in order to get these off, they're clipped in on the back, so you'll need to use a pair of needle nose pliers. And what you're going to do is squeeze in on the back. There's a plastic clip in there, and you're just going to feed it back through in order to get the bumper off. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement bumper. If you don't have it already, you can find it on our online store. And all we have to do to get the bumper in is just push it straight in, and it'll snap right into place. So that's nice and secure. And we can close up our door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.